Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to do an ombre gel polish. It is really easy to do. Yeah, so let's get into it. I'm just going to move my two colours now. I've chose pink and orange because I know they blend really well. And I have an ombre brush here, and what I'm doing is I'm just going back and forth, side to side, using the ombre brush very lightly, moving up and down the nail just to blend them two colours together in the middle. Once you're happy with your design, what I always do is go from the top and blend it the whole way down, and this gives the perfect blend in the colours. Well guys, I missed out the first part of this, so I did already put on the pink and I just put on the orange then, and I'm just going to blend them again. Ways to make you understand what colours sort of go together is I always go back to the rainbow. So you have your red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple. All them colours in that order will blend together. So just remember that. Obviously there is no pink, but you know, pink is very close to red, so I would always put them sort of together. And then pink and purple will go really well together as well. Really make sure that we keep the blend as perfect as possible. It's always really important to wipe your brush in between. You'll see me do it here. It's just sometimes you can just put a little blob of orange, you know, up into the pink where you didn't want it to go, and then you have to try and get it to blend. So it just makes life a wee bit easier for you if you clean your brush in between. And then again, when you're happy, just pop it in the lamp and let it cure between 30 to 60 seconds depending on the type of lamp that you have. Still see a couple of lines in my design, so I've just went in with the third coat just to make sure that it's nice and strong. But if you are struggling guys, what you can do is pop on a bit of mermaid shimmer once it's all cured. This will help really bring out the ombre sort of look and hide all the imperfections that you're struggling with just until you get it. time I'm using green and yellow to make an ombre. I've went over everything with you already, guys, so I'm just going to let you watch this one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a little thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, it will really help me grow. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!